Good morning, students. I am Pooja Krishnan, PA trainee of RVTC Valakam. Today, we are discussing about the topic parts of the human respiratory system. What is respiratory system? It's a network of organs and tissues that help us to breathe, to brings in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. So the respiratory system works closely with the circulatory system to provide oxygen to the body and remove the waste gases. The interesting fact related to respiratory system, we breathe about 22,000 times a day. Major parts of the respiratory system: nose and nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and the last one, lungs. Here we can see a picture related to human respiratory system. Okay. The next one, nose and nasal cavity. The nostril are the external opening of the nose leading to the nasal cavity, which is a hollow space inside the nose, which helps in filters, moistens and warms the incoming air. It contains tiny hairs and mucus to trap dust and microorganisms. The next one, pharynx, is a muscular tube that connects the nasal cavity to the larynx and the esophagus. Function, which serves as a passage for air to the larynx and food to the esophagus. Plays a role in speech by resonating the sound. The next one is larynx, which is also called voice box. It is located between pharynx and trachea. The larynx is also called as voice box. Okay. It produces sound as air passes through the vocal cords and prevent food from entering the trachea using the epiglottis. Epiglottis, which is a lid-type structure which helps to prevent the food from entering the trachea. The next one, trachea, which is an important part in respiratory system. Here we can see the picture of trachea. Okay. So it's a tube also known as windpipe that connect the larynx to the bronchi. So trachea, which is a connection from larynx to the bronchi. Bronchi are branched structures. Here we can see branched structures. So the branched structure bronchi and larynx are connected using trachea. In trachea, we can see a C-shaped structure that is called cartilage. The function of trachea is to transport air to and from the lungs. Has ciliated cells and mucus to trap and remove the particles. The next one, that is bronchi. Bronchi are a branched structure. Two main airways branching from the trachea, each leading to a lung. Function of bronchi. It carry air into the lungs, divide into smaller branches called bronchioles. The next one, bronchiole. Bronchus is divided to form bronchiole. So, the bronchus is again divided to form bronchiole. Bronchiole, which is small, narrow airways branching from the bronchi. Function of the bronchiole: deliver air to the alveoli, regulate airflow with the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are presented in bronchi. The next one, alveoli. The alveoli, which is a main part in respiration, which has look like a grape. So alveoli, which is a tiny air sac located at the end of bronchiole in the lungs. So which is presented in the tip of bronchioles. Function of alveoli, okay, which facilitate the gas exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide, surrounded by capillaries for efficient exchange. So we can see red and blue color which is surrounded the alveoli, which is called capillaries, which make efficiency in gaseous exchange. Okay, and the last one, which is lungs. So here we can see the picture of a lungs, human legs. So lungs, which is a pair of spongy organ located in the chest cavity. The function of lungs: house the bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli for gas exchange, supply